Akala mo ba dahil ikaw ang nagbabayad ng property niyong mag-asawa, sa'yo lang yon? Pag-usapan natin. Welcome to Real Estate Talks by Cha Asilo, where your property question meet expert answer. This is episode 18 and our topic for today is, kailan ka ba malalaman kung conjugal property siya? May dalawang batas na dapat alam mo, isang civil code at isang family code. Nakadepende ito kung kailan kayo kinasal. Kung kinasal ka bago ang August 3, 1988, under ka ng civil code. Only what you earn during marriage ang conjugal or shared. Kung anong mga naipundar mo bago ka magpakasal, ay sa'yo pa rin siya. Pero kung kinasal kayo after August 3, 1988, automatic na you are under family code. At kung wala kayong prenup, halos lahat ng mga nabili mo even before marriage ay shared or conjugal na. Hindi lahat conjugal na ha. Exempted ang mga pamana, donation exclusively for you when you are married, personal items, and yung mga nakasaad sa prenup nyo. So next time na mag-invest ka ng property habang kasal ka, make sure na alam mo ang rules para walang problema in the future. And follow me for more real estate tips na pampatalino at hindi panggulo ng relasyon. Stay tuned to discover the world of Philippine real estate with me. One question, one reel at a time. For now, bye!